Today we'll be rekeying a mailbox lock. They come in many different sizes. Example locks and the links in the description below. All locks will have a tab. Pull the tab out, either with a flathead or your hand. Unscrew this if possible. To make it easier to slide the lock barrel out in the back. Take the locking lever out. The barrel should slide out. If not, you may need to turn it. Compare on Amazon. Buy a new barrel. These come in different sizes, so test them. Make sure that they will engage with your lock. Install the foot closed. Reinstall the nut and washer if it's included. Take the new tab and align it to the groove on the top. Push as necessary. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. Thanks and have a great day.